Hi, you guessed it right. I'm coming back from a party. Now, interestingly, when I went there were no gatekeepers at the entrance. So naturally, I went in. And then I realized, besides the people who were invited, there were some people who were just crashing the party. Some came there for just spectating, some came there for stealing food and drinks, while others even came with weapons to disrupt the decorum of the party. And one thing that I forgot to tell you was this party was imaginary. However, these scenarios oddly echo the challenges that we are currently facing in terms of avionics. This is what I'm going to talk about today. I'm going to talk about the challenges that are there in avionics, especially in the terms of self-adaptive avionics. So what are self-adaptive avionics in first place? Any electronic systems of the aircrafts that have a mind of their own and the ability to adapt to the environment and take the decisions on the runtime. Now you can imagine with such diversity we have a lot of benefits such as reduction of infrastructure cost and the hardware we use, and also optimum utilization of computing resources. However, we also have some vulnerabilities in hand. Just think of it in a way that in the party, people are trying to create certain scenarios that the hosts are compelled to change their schedule, or the guests are adding something to your food and your drinks and contaminating them. We have slight problems in the avionics, how the environment that the particular avionic is working can be influenced by an attacker and can be directed towards where the attacker wants it to go. So now when we have this problem, we do need a solution. Here I propose a layered solution with all the cryptographic solutions that can work with it. So the first thing that we have is the authentication protocols. Now these are like the gatekeepers that only allow the authorized people or the invited people to the party of aviation. Then we have encryption. Now encryption only allows the people with the right key or the right code to access the system. This makes our party more secure. And after that, we also have intrusion detection systems that act as vigilant undercover agents or the security cameras and detect if there are any troublemakers or adversaries in the system. So in essence, like every party needs some security measures in order to have an enjoyable experience, our self-adaptive avionics demand the same. Cheers to the safer flights. Thank you.